Assalamu alaikum. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today my presentation of algebra 2 and bisection M, and my name is Qasim Raza, and ID is F20180700003, and my course score is MA315. And today my presentation topics are chapter number 3, question number 16, and theorem number 2.5. In question number 16, let R be a ring without divisors of 0 and R in the ring R dash multiplied by R multiplied by Z as described in theorem 2.12, assuming that I denotes the left annihilator of R in R. I is equal to A belongs to R dash. Imply that AR is equal to 0 for all R belongs to R. Verify that it forms an ideal of R dash. Hint: R is an ideal of R dash. In this part, let I is an ideal of R dash. This implies that there exists I belongs to R such that R is an ideal of R dash, whereas I is equal to A belongs to R dash, AR is equal to 0, and for all R belongs to R. Consider the Cartesian product R multiplied by Z, where R multiplied by Z is equal to Rn into R belongs to R and belongs to Z belongs to I. If addition and multiplication are defined by An plus Bm is equal to A plus B, n plus m belongs to I, An into Bm is equal to AB plus Ma, Nb plus Nm belongs to I. Verify I multiplied by Z forms a ring An into 0, 1 is equal to A0 plus 1A into N0 plus N1 is equal to An belongs to I. Similarly, 0, 1 into An is equal to An belongs to I. Consider R multiplied by 0 if R multiplied by Z, since A0 minus B0 is equal to A minus B0 belongs to I. A0 into B0 is equal to A B0 belongs to I. R multiplied by 0 is the subring of R multiplied by Z, implies that R multiplied by 0 is the subring of R dash. R multiplied by 0 is isomorphic to R under the mapping F. R is implied that R multiplied by 0 into Fa is equal to A0. Therefore, imbedes R in R multiplied by Z with I, so it is proved I is an ideal of R dash. In B part, R dash divided by I is a ring with identity which has no divisors of 0. So, let Fi is an ideal of R dash. There exists Fi belongs to R dash divided by Fi such that I belongs to Fi. Define the mapping G R R arrow R dash over Fi and F R dash over R over Fi, and let's A belongs to R, and Fa plus Fi is equal to R dash over Fi. Both the function f and g are homomorphism. Fa plus Fi is equal to R dash over Fi is equal to Fi. A plus I is equal to R dash over I. We show that I is equal to A belongs to R, Ga is equal to Fi, A belongs to R, Fa plus Fi is equal to Fi, A belongs to R, Fa belongs to Fi, I is equal to F inverse into Fi. But F is equal to I is equal to Fg. So it is proved R dash over I is a ring having no divisors of 0. See, R dash over I can stay as a subring isomorphic to R. In proof, we define this mapping. F is equal to R dash over I is the subring of R. F is equal to Fa plus I is equal to Fa, A belongs to R. Fb plus I is equal to Fb, B belongs to R. Fa is equal to Fb is the subring of R. F A plus I is equal to Fb plus I is the subring of R. So Fa plus I belongs to A plus I and Fb plus I belongs to B plus I. A plus I is equal to B plus I is equal to that A minus B belongs to I is the subring of R. It means that FA is equal to FA minus B plus B is equal to FA minus B plus FB is equal to FB is the subring of R. We define that FA plus I is equal to FB plus I is the subring of R. Hence the function f is constant on the subring is equal to FA plus I plus B plus I is equal to FA plus B plus I is equal to FA plus B is equal to FA plus FB is equal to FA plus I plus FB plus I is the subring of R. And likewise FA plus I into B plus I FAB plus I is equal to FAB is equal to FAFB FA plus I into FB plus I is the subring of R. In this correction, A belongs to R. FA is equal to FA plus I is equal to F net A is equal to F naught and net I A into A is the subring of R. Suppose F is equal to F mapping from G net to 1 and G is mapping from R in dash over I is the subring of R. But FA plus I is equal to FA is equal to G naught net I into A is equal to GA plus I is the subring of R. There exists for all A belongs to R and G is equal to F. So it is proved R dash over I is the subring of R. In theorem number 2.5, the following relations hold for ideals in a ring are capital letters indicate the ideals of R. In number 1, intersection II ratio Rj is equal to intersection II ratio Rj. Let in this bracket intersection II ratio Rj is equal to A belongs to R. Aj is a subring of intersection II is equal to A belongs to R. Aj is the subring of II for all I is equal to intersection A belongs to R into Aj is the subring of II is equal to intersection II belongs is the ratio of Rj. So it is proved. In number 2, I is the ratio of R summation Ji is equal to intersection into this bracket II ratio Rji. Proof: let Ji is the subring of summation Ji arrow A in this bracket sigma Ji bracket close is the subring of I. If and only if Aj is the subring of I for all I. Let I is the ratio of R summation Ji is equal to A belongs to R. S in this bracket sigma Ji bracket close is the subring of I is equal to A belongs to R. Aj is the subring of I for all I is equal to intersection in this bracket I ratio Rji bracket close. So it is proved. In the last part, third, I ratio of R into Jk is equal to I ratio of Rk in bracket close is the ratio of Rj. In this proof, let I ratio of R into Jk bracket is equal to A belongs to R, Ajk belongs to I is equal to A belongs to R, Aj into K is the subring of I is equal to A belongs to R, Aj is the subring of I ratio of Rk is equal to in this bracket I ratio Rk is the ratio of Rj. Similarly for left questions, I ratio R in brackets Jk is equal to in brackets I ratio Rj bracket close ratio Rk. Conversely, let I is the subring of R and J is the I is an ideal of R and J is an ideal of I is not and J is not the ideal of R. Let R is a subring of R star R hash. Consider I is equal to fi, f belongs to r into f 0 0. J is equal to fi square plus ni square, f belongs to r, f 0 0 and belongs to z, where I denotes the identity function of r hash is equal to ix is equal to x. So for all x belongs to r, let j is an ideal of I and j is not ideal of r, since I square belongs to j while 1 over 2 I square belongs to j. A contradiction. This is a contradiction. Then half I square is equal to fi square plus ni square. F belongs to r and n belongs to z, with f0 is equal to 0. Fi square is equal to 1 over 2 I square minus ni square is equal to 1 over 2, and in bracket common is I square is equal to fi square is equal to fx into I square. I squares are cancelled in both sides. Is applied that fi is equal to 1 over 2 minus n is equal to fn. Fn is equal to 1 over 2 minus n is not equal to 0 for every 0 is not equal to x belongs to r hash. Fx is not equal to 0 on r hash minus 0. So r is taken to be a regular being. Thank you very much. Allah.